When I was in 8th grade, I had a acromioclavicular injury, also known as the ACE, from the AC joint. It all happened on October 14th during a football game. I got the handoff, ran about 5 yards, and got tackled by about 3 people. I landed right on my left shoulder, and I heard a pop, and I couldn't move my arm. I had surgery the next day. Different levels of the injury can result in different forms of recovery. We will be explaining how severe the injury can be, how it happens, and to who, and how the injury is diagnosed. An AC separation can vary in how severe it is. According to the Mayo Clinic website, last updated February 8, 2011, a grade 1 separation is not actually separated, but you will have discomfort. You will not need to have surgery if you have this type. A grade 2 separation is minor, and as stated by Mayo Clinic website, a grade 2 separation is slightly separated. It will not need surgery unless you want it fixed. As referenced by the Medscape website, grade 2 separations may progress to develop to symptomatic degenerative disease. A grade 3 separation is when the injury starts to get serious. According to the Mayo Clinic, grade 3 separation is when both AC ligament and the nearby coroclavicular ligaments are completely torn. As stated by Medscape, grade 3 separations may result in impingement syndrome, muscle fatigue discomfort, and or neurovascular symptomology. Impingement is when your bursa, which is like the head of your shoulder, is being pinched when you're moving your arm above your head. And then visual aid. This is what a normal shoulder looks like, and this is grade 3. You can see that it's separated from here, and the ligaments will be torn. And grades 4, 5, and 6 are like really severe because it's like broken. And as stated by a Mayo Clinic website, these types involve displacement or fracture of the collarbone, and they often require surgery. According to the Medscape, grade 4, 5, and 6 are disruptions of the superior shoulder suspensory complex, which is also known as SSSC. And that is it's a bony soft tissue ring composed of the glenoid process, the coracoid process, the coroclavicular ligament, the clavicle, the AC joint, and the acromial process at the end of the collarbone. So now that you know about the different grades of the injury, I'll tell you about who it happens to and how. So many people have these injuries, and as stated by WebMD website, the last updated on September 30th, 2009, a direct injury to the top of the shoulder or a fall into the outstretched arm will cause a shoulder separation. If you separate your AC joint, you often know it is wrong because you will not be able to lift your arm over your head. As referenced by J. Rollo, Injuries of the Acromioclavicular Joint and Current Treatment Options in October 2005. In the United States, these injuries are most commonly seen in American football and ice hockey players. Most of these injuries occur in athletes that play contact sports. Now that you know about how and to who it happens, I will tell you about how it is diagnosed. There are many ways to diagnose this injury. One way is to have your doctor ask you questions about pain. As stated by the Orthopod website, last updated July 27, 2006, you will need to answer questions about past injuries to your shoulder, and you will be asked to take the rate of pain on a scale of 1 to 10. As referenced by the WebMD website, any pain when moving your arm away from your body may indicate a shoulder separation. Another way is to have your doctor take x-rays. According to the Orthopod website, x-rays can show an AC disruption and they may be necessary to rule out a fracture of the clavicle. As stated by WebMD, your doctor will probably x-ray your shoulder and then he'll x-ray like your normal shoulder and then your injured one to see the severity, the difference in it. So now that you know about how severe this injury can be, how and who this injury occurs, and how it is diagnosed, now you can understand the different levels of this injury can result in different forms of recovery. The AC joint can get injured easily, in my opinion. You wouldn't want this injury to happen to you.